So I've got a question for us here about finding the greatest common factor of two numbers. And I've got our procedure, right, that we're going to use to do this. And we're definitely going to want it here. 1200 has a lot of factors. So trying to write all of them out would be tedious and possibly also kind of error prone. So we're definitely going to be better off using this method. So step number one is to write out the prime factorizations of the numbers. So 1200 is equal to 12 times 100. So that 12 is 3 times 4 times 100. So that's 3 times 2 squared times 10 squared. Right, there's the first one. Now 108 is 2 times 54, which is 2 times 2 times 27. So that's going to be 2 squared and 27, that's 3 cubed. So there's our prime factorization. All right, step number two, list all the factors that they have in common. Well, they both have a 2, and they both have a 3, and that's it. I'm not going to include the 10, because that appears in one of the factorizations, but not the other. All right, step three, we're looking for the smallest exponent. So on the 2's, well, they're both the same, so I'm going to use a 2 here. And with the 3's, I've got a 3. Remember, there's kind of an implicit 1 here, and that's the smaller of the two. So there's my expression. And if we multiply these two out, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And there's our greatest common factor. So if you'd like to get the full context, you can click on the upper link here to see the corresponding lecture. And if you'd like to see another example, the link below will take you to another presentation that's a little more interesting. It illustrates a new term called being relatively prime. And finally, if you like this example or found it helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button below.